I wanted to look at a couple of examples of solving problems with two independent events. So here I'm looking for the probability of landing on a red sector on this spinner here and rolling a 6 on a regular sided die. So again, if I'm looking for the probability of that happening, so red and a 6, I would have to find the probability of landing on red and multiply it by the probability of rolling a 6 on the die. So I have 4 equal sectors and 1 red sector. So the probability of spinning a red is 1 out of 4. I have 6 numbers on a die, so 6 total outcomes, and 1 favorable outcome, rolling the 6. So 1 over 4 times 1 over 6 is 1 over 24. Okay, so that's my probability of those two events occurring. Look at another example here now, a bag containing 5 red marbles, 3 green marbles, and 4 blue marbles. I'm going to take 1 marble out of the bag, record the color, and then return it, and repeat the process. So what is the probability of selecting 2 green marbles? So first of all, I'd have to say what's the probability of selecting 1 green marble, because that's what I'm going to have to multiply by itself here. So the probability of selecting a green, well, I have 3 green marbles in the bag, and I have 12 marbles in the bag in total. So my probability would be 3 out of 12. So I have 3 out of 12 times 3 out of 12. So that would be 1 over 4 times 1 over 4, or 1 out of 16 would be the probability. If instead here I had a looking for the probability of a red and then a green, I would get the probability of red and multiply it by the probability of getting a green. So the probability of rolling a red would be 5 red marbles out of 12 marbles in total. And then the probability of rolling the green would be 3 out of 12 again. So again, I can reduce that a little bit just to make my life a little easier. From there, I'm just going to have to multiply this out. So 5 times 1 is 5. 4 12s is 48. Okay, so 5 out of 48 chance there. And again, we can convert any of these probabilities into decimals or percents as well. For 2 non-red marbles, so not red and not red, I would have to multiply the probability of it being not red both times. Okay, so I have 7 marbles that are not red. So that's my favorable outcome for each one. Okay, so 7 times 7 is 49. 12 times 12 is 144. So I have a 49 out of 144 probability of getting 2 non-red marbles theoretically. So I hope that helps with calculating the probability of 2 independent events. Thanks for listening.